Home improvement tips straight from the DIY experts. A home business can be a very lucrative and desirable career. It can also have pitfalls if you are not properly prepared. This video can help you to understand all of the things that a home business can entail. By doing your homework and proper preparation, you can create a business that will bring you success and pleasure. Don't take half measures when it comes to pleasing your customers. Give customers free stuff when they buy your products, and let them know that you appreciate their business by thanking them for their orders. When you provide free incentives and gifts to your customers, they will love it. Make it known to your customer that you appreciate their business. You should make it a priority to obtain a post office box for routing your business mail to, as opposed to your current address. Don't take the risk of using your real home address when you communicate on the internet. This will help protect the identities of you and your family. If you are going to start a home business, you should only sell items you have an interest in. If you don't like or believe in what you are selling, then you won't convince your customers to buy it either. If you don't like the product, then don't sell it. Make sure you give yourself daily goals. You may not do all of them, but when you set reasonable goals, you are more likely to accomplish more. Make sure you set some boundaries in your home so that your family will keep your space in mind. It has been noted that a home business can be lucrative and desirable. Many people hope to have a home business. By using the information in the video, you can set the foundation and framework to build a successful home business. Success is not only the profit you make, but the pleasure you get from your work as well. Student loan.